Tara highlighters, let's celebrate the 85 years anniversary of Tom and Jerry in every McDonald's Happy Meal. Start chasing the fun with Running Jerry. Let's join Tom and Jerry playing together with this Tom and Jerry wobbling cart. At ito mapapasana all ka na lang, buti pa si Jerry may sports car. Yan sa mga mahilig na pinapaikot-ikot, huy! You could choose between Jerry in spinning teacup or Tom in spinning bathtub. At sa magaling mag-shoot dyan, here's Tom wobbling hoopla. Challenge your loved ones and enjoy playing this game. Tignan natin kung ma-shoot nyo at one try yung lahat ng hoops. At sa mahilig sa disc launcher, here's Jerry and Toffee Mousehole Game. 3 points. And one of my fave among the set, here's Tom and Jerry Tower of Cushions. Smack the cushions without waking up Tom. Dapat manak nyo lahat ng cushions one by one nang hindi nahulog si Tom. Had so much fun with these toys. Kayo highlighters, kamusta? Nakompleto nyo na ba lahat?